Our deep freezer is here, nice fridge. So I'll show you now. Tall one and slim one. The first one we had was a bit massive, so it didn't come in through the door. So they are going to take the old one away. So this is our Christmas gift so far.
Oh, that door there. Your door, patient. Shut your door. Don't
So they've taken away the old one.
I'm sorry. You know, careful. See, that should come through. I measured it so they come through there fine. Well, it goes through the door fine.
Puxa aqui, tá? Levanta aí a parte esquerda. Isso.
Just about, eh? Just about.
That is the old one outside waiting to be taken.
Do we Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So the freezer is there now in the kitchen. So hubby is trying to cut it. Careful. It's taller than hubby as well. So you just have to cut the box. Hubby is unboxing the biggest freezer ever. We've got so far. So
I said stand it up against the wall.
just leave it like that, it's okay. So that is how tall the fridge freezer is. So hubby is doing a lot to unpack it. All the corners. Look at all the packing. So that is a new fridge freezer. And look at it.
Can you get some of this tape off some of these, please? Oh, what's that for the back? We're supposed to take this out before we put it on? Oh no, that's the thing.
So I'll be sorting it out and remove all the plastics. And so it's quite very tall.
Can we put the mat back?